Your Android holds precious memories. Let's see how Android file transfer helps you move them safely to your computer. Part 1. What is Android file transfer? How to use it? What is Android file transfer? Android file transfer lets Mac users move photos, videos, music, and more between Android and computer via USB. How to use Android file transfer? Download and install Android file transfer. Open it on your Mac. Then connect your Android via USB and select File Transfer MeTP. Browse files in the app and drag them between Android and Mac to transfer. Part 2. What if Android file transfer doesn't work? Unlock your Android. Use a good USB cable. Select File Transfer Restart if needed. Update systems or try Mobikin Assistant for Android. Part 3. Where Android file transfer excels and falls short. Pros: free, official, easy drag and drop. Supports all file types. No Android app needed. Cons: Mac only. Connection issues. Basic features. May crash on large transfers. Part 4. Android file transfer is still not working? Try the best alternative. Android file transfer is outdated. Use Mobikin Assistant Mac and Windows to transfer files, backup data, and manage Android devices. Step 1. Open the program and connect your Android via USB. Enable USB debugging if needed. Step 2. Preview files and device info on the main interface, then manage files as desired. Step 3. Transfer files. Preview files, then click Export to move data from Android to Mac or import to copy from Mac to Android.